So I'll be working on the first pocket first. I've cut out lining for it with zip clothes size 7 and zip mouth original one. So I'll be adding the zip cloth to it now. I'll place the lining down and place the zip cloth on it, right side facing up. Then I'll place the material on it, right side facing each other, and stick it together. After that, I will turn it over for top stitching. After that, then I'll do the same to the second one also. Now I'm done with the second one and I've connected both together using zip teeth. After that, I will stitch both sides. Now I've cut out form for it, which I'll be putting inside it. After sewing it, I will trim out the essence lining, so I'm done with the first pocket. Now I've cut out lining to cover the pockets at the back. Then I also cut out lining for the two sides I will be stitching with the pockets. So for the two sides, I've stitched lining to it. Now I'll be joining both to the pockets, right side facing each other, and stitch it. So after stitching it, I will do the same to the second side. So I'm done stitching both sides to it. Now I'll be top stitching the both sides. So I'm done stitching it. After I top stitch it, I try to insert form to each side. Then I stitch it together. Now I'll be sewing zip on it. I'll place the zip on it, right side facing each other, and stitch it round together. So this is how it look like after stitching it. Now I'll be working on this. I've cut out foam and lining for it, which I'm going to be sewing around together. Then after sewing it round, I'll place the zip close on it and stitch it round together. So this is how it look like after sewing it. Don't forget to trim out the essence before sewing the zip plate on it. Now I will use taping to tape both round to cover the rough area. So this is how it looks like after using taping to cover the rough area. You can see how neat it was. After that, I use the zip mouth to join both together. I will trim out the essence that remain at the bottom. Now I will add base to the bottom to increase the length of the bag. But if you are okay with the length like this, you don't need to add extra base to the bottom again. You can leave it like that. So the measurement for this is 3.5 by 13 inches. I've cut out foam and lining for it. I will be joining the base to the bottom, right side facing each other, and stitch it together. After that, I will stitch the lining to it. After that, I will turn it over for top stitching. Now I will stitch both sides. Now I will insert the foam inside it and stitch it. So this is how it look like after adding the base to it. I've cut out lining for it to cover the back side. Now to the last extra pocket, I sew lining on this. The reason I stop the lining here is that the measurement for the zip cloth I will be sewing on it is 23.8 inches. I will take this, I'll fold it into two to get the midpoint and notch it out. Then I will do the same to the zip plate also by notching each side. After that, I will sew the zip cloth on it, right side facing each other, notch point to notch point, and stick it around. So this is the front of the bag. I'm almost done with this. Now I will measure it round, and the measurement is 43.8 inches. You know that the first pocket I sew it direct, but this last pocket I'll be adding gussets to it. So I want the gusset to start at 10 inches for both sides. So that means the 10 inches for both sides, I'll plus it together, making it 20 inches. And the rounding of the body is 43.8 inches. So I will take the 20 inches out of the 43.8 inches, giving me 23.8 inches for the zip cloth I cut out earlier. So for this, I've cut out the essence that remained after adding the zip cloth to it. Now I will use the taping to tape it to cover the rough area. I'm done taping it. You can see the way it looks like. Now I'll move to the gusset. So to get the wideness of the gusset, I'll measure the wideness of this. And the measurement is 2.3 inches wide by 10.5 inches length. The reason why I had 5 inches to the 10 inches is because of the sewing allowance. So I'll be adding the gusset to it. I'll place it on it, right side facing each other, and stitch it together. After that, I'll place the lining under it and stitch it. After that, I will turn it over for dot stitching. After that, I will stitch both sides. I will take this, I will put it into two to get the midpoint. Then I will also take the main body, I will put it into two to get the midpoint. Now I will join both together, notch point to notch point, and stitch it round. So this is how it look like after stitching it together. I've also used taping to tape it across. Please don't forget to always add your zip mouth to the zip cloth before joining the gusset to it. So I've cut the bottom of the bag. What I did is that I tried to fold it together. After folding it, then I use the scissors to just give it shape. So I forgot to add design to the front of the bag, but I'm still opportunity to add it. In case you forget to add it also, this is how to do it. So I'll be using the belt for the design of the front of the bag. So I will take the belt, I will fold it to the back side and place it at the middle of the front. Then I will stitch it twice. After that, I will fold the belt together again and stitch the front of the folding. Then I will do the same to the rest. After getting to the end, I will cut out the extra belt. Then I will fold the belt a little bit and stitch it on it. So I'm done adding the design to it. This is how it look like after adding it. Then I cut out the lining to cover the back side. So this is how it look like after adding the lining to the back side. So we have come to the end of how to make the front of the school bag. I hope you learned something from this. And if you do, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and don't forget to give your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.